Today I'll be talking on the negative staining. This negative staining, the main purpose of this negative staining is to study the morphological shape, size, and arrangement of the bacterial cells, which is difficult to stain. Example, spirilla, and it can also be used to stain cells that are too delicate to be heat fixed. The another objective is to understand the benefit obtained from visualizing the unstained microorganism. So the principle of this negative staining is negative staining requires the use of an acidic stain such as Indian ink or negrosine, and the acidic stain with its negatively charged chromogen will not penetrate the cell because of the negative charge on the surface of bacteria. Therefore, the unstained cells are easily discernible against the color background. Now, this negative staining requires an acidic dye such as Indian ink or negrosine, and this Indian ink or negrosine is an acidic stain. This means that the stain readily gives up a hydrogen ion, that is proton, and the chromophore of the dye, which becomes negatively charged. Since the surface of most bacterial cells is negatively charged, the cell surface tend to repel the stain. The glass of the slide will stain, but the bacterial cells will not stain. Therefore, the bacteria shows up a clear spot against a dark background. Also, this practical application of this negative charge is of two folds. Firstly, since heat fixation is not required and the cells are not subjected to distorting effects of chemical and heat, their natural size and shape can be seen. But secondly, it is possible to observe bacteria that are difficult to stain, such as some spirilla, because heat fixation is not done during the staining process. And also remember that the organisms are not killed, and so the slide should be handled with care once the practical is done. So in order to perform this negative staining, you will be needing some glass slides, inoculating loop, negrosine or Indian ink, Bunsen burner, then the microscope, and the specimen. And so the procedure of this negative staining is, it is a very simple one. Firstly, you have to place a small drop of negrosine close to one end of a clean slide. Then, using aseptic technique, place a loopful or inoculum from the bacterial culture in the drop of negrosine and mix. Then place a slide against the drop of suspended organism at 45-degree angle and allows the drop to spread along the edge of the applied slide. Now push the slide away from the drop of suspended organism to form a thin smear, and remember to air dry but do not heat fix the slide. Then examine the slide under oil immersion. So the interpretation is, the bacteria will show up a clear spot against a dark background. Here in this given picture, I have given an example of negatively stained cocci. The bacteria shows this negatively stained cocci is showing up as a clear spot against a dark background. So this is all about the negative staining.